Aloha mai kako. Welcome to the Hawaiian Airlines Pau Hana Friday. Pau Hana Fridays happen every first Friday in celebration and in recognition of your loyalty to Hawaiian Airlines, our PUALANI Elite and PUALANI Premier Club members. This evening, our beverage partner is Andis Wines, Andy and Janice from Andis Wines. Our food partner this evening is Papa John's Pizza Hawaii. Sit back, relax, and unwind and enjoy Pau Hana Friday.
Whispering to me from a tall cocoa tree comes that hula breeze. I hear the beat of the surf on the shores at Waikiki. Ooh, softly through the air comes a brown maiden fair. Song she sings. I hear the swish of her skirt as she dances to Lili'ue. No honani mai, soft Hawaiian guitars are playing as we had a big luau, and the moon shines bright on a tropical night. Wahines raise a bell cow, whispering to me from a tall cocoa tree comes the hula breeze. It makes me long to go back to my cocoa shack far away. Whispering to me from a tall cocoa tree comes the hula breeze. I hear the beat of the surf on the shores at Waikiki. Ooh, softly through the air comes the brown maiden fair. Song she sings. I hear the swish of her skirt as she dances to Lili'ue. No honani mai, soft Hawaiian guitars are playing as we had a big luau, and the moon shines bright on a tropical night. Connie's and Wahines raise the bell cow, whispering to me from a tall cocoa tree comes the hula breeze. It makes me long to go back to my cocoa leaf shack far away. It makes me long to go back to my cocoa leaf shack far away. That hula breeze. Mahalo. Okay, we're going to wind up our dancers portion of today's show.